This review is going to be on the Syncwire USB-A to USB-C. I'm very new to USB-C life. I'm accustomed to the older versions of USB. So I got me a new phone, and the many other electronics I'm receiving is now using USB-C. So I wanted to make sure I received a quality product because most of the ones that are created before have this really cheap plastic-like casing for the actual wire, which tends to break apart as time goes on. With Syncwire, they actually give you a really sturdy cover that goes along the cord so that you can bend it as many times as you want. It's not going to break apart. It's very, very sturdy. You also have this Velcro strap here to help keep everything nice and snug, so when you put it into your purse, your bag, or whatever you need to use this for, you have it. It's strictly plug and play. Plug it inside of your computer, put this inside of your phone or whatever electronic device that actually uses the USB-C, and you're on your way. It also comes in 6.6 feet. So again, you don't have to worry about struggling to keep this near something because the cord is so short. They make sure to give you a really, really long cord, and it's just like a really good option so far that I have found amongst other brands. So yeah, I'm just really loving the braided cord part of it and the easiness of using the product. So yeah, this is the Syncwire USB-A to USB-C 6.6 feet cord.